Okay, DIYers, this summer I'm going to be replacing my rear upper arms and sway bars as a project. I'm also going to be replacing with these. I'm going to be replacing my front and rear struts summer of 2026. So I've already gotten the parts for the rear upper arms and sway bars. So they came from TRQ, which is actually A1 Auto. They do a lot of great videos on YouTube for do-it-yourselfers, DIYers. So I've been following them. They have a lot of great videos on how to do it yourself. So I bought directly from them. I paid I believe $250 for these upper arm and sway bars, $250. So this is what they look like. It's the upper sway bar for the rear. And like I said, I've got a front wheel drive, so it is not, I don't have a rear differential, which is great. I specifically purchased a front wheel drive because I didn't want to have to deal with the all-wheel drive rear differential. So this is it for the summer. That's the upper control arm, as well as, let me get the sway bar. So this will be the sway bar. Two of these. So I've got two sway bars and I've got two upper control arms. And this will be a project I'll be doing this summer. Summer of 2026. Just bought the parts though. So, alrighty, DIYers. Appreciate you. Peace. Oh, let me share something else with you I purchased. So, I also purchased got me a real nice torque wrench. It's Horace D Professional Tools. It's a real nice one. Got off of Amazon. I paid about $50 for it. It's a real good one though. Figured I'm gonna make sure everything's torqued correctly. And this is a torque wrench. So happy I purchased it. Like I said, I got it on Amazon. And real nice one. So looking forward to that as well. All right, good people. Peace.